Hi everybody, I'm Belinda Allen and I am so excited about tomorrow. Tomorrow is Data Geek Saturday for South Florida and I am lucky enough to be able to present on one of my favorite topics, Power BI and cash flow. I love anything that visualizes a good ERP system. But beyond that, there are some amazing sessions out there that I cannot wait to attend myself. Kevin Fiesel's going to be talking about R. Somehow, every time I would go to a SQL Saturday to present, Kevin Fiesel was there as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing him present. I miss seeing him in person. Jana Berkovich is going to be there as well, so I'm excited about that. Jen Stirrup is going to be talking about machine learning. Ooh, that's pretty cool. There's going to be some talks on the Internet of Things. Laura Graham Brown is going to be talking about pagination. And I'm even going to share an experience of what it's like to be the only woman in the room when it comes to something technical. So you've got the registration below. It's tomorrow. It's a tiny little fee, but it's totally worth it because it's going to be an amazing experience. I hope to see you there.